The serpent seed wants to make it appear as if Paul was going to all nations since the Israelites rejected the Messiah. That is false. Paul was from the tribe of Benjamin, which means he was from the southern kingdom of Judah. Why would he go to the Canaanites or the Romans to speak about a Messiah that was sent to deliver the Israelites from bondage? The Israelites were servants to the heathens they live among. Why would teaching about the Messiah be good news to the heathens who wants to maintain control over their slaves? The kingdom of darkness used Acts 18 verse 6 as the foundation for religion. Satan used the grafted in doctrine to get many people to accept religion. Satan wants the world to believe Paul was speaking to all people to get the entire world to bow down and worship him in religion. If you look around, that is exactly what the people who are trapped in religion are doing, worshiping the false Messiah, posing to be God in the flesh.